Hi, it's Adrienne. How are you doing today? And so I'm back with a palette that I haven't really had a chance to do a full look with. I've been using it here and there, but I finally got to go ahead and do a whole look with it. So I thought I'd go ahead and get started on what I have on today. I did go ahead and pick up the Colourpop Pretty Fresh, and this is their new foundation stick. I got mine in 4 Fair. If you follow the Pretty Fresh line, you'll know that, let's see, in their face tint and in their foundation, well, actually in their face tint, 4 is actually a neutral color. So that's kind of why I gravitated toward it. I do have it on. I've been wearing it for the last couple of days, and so far I'm liking it. And I did go ahead and use a Pretty Fresh concealer to go along with it today. Excuse me. And I did go ahead and use the Flower Heatwave bronzer with this. And the Colourpop, this is their Thanks blush, so I had that on as well. And then as far as the highlighter today, I used Icicle Spree. And this was one of the ones that came out with the Frosty, the Snowman, the Holiday palette. So it's a really pretty color, and I like it a lot. And I thought it went pretty well with this. As far as what I did for lips, I got out the Good and Plenty, and this is the lip liner, one of the Lippie pencils. And this one's from Colourpop. I did the Just a Tint and a Go-Go by Colourpop. And then the lip gloss is actually the Adept lip gloss. So yeah, I think the lips came out really pretty today. And I usually don't do all 3, but it definitely deepens everything up and makes it look like a full lip when you go ahead and do lip liner plus the lipstick plus the lip gloss. And I think it worked out pretty well. The palette that I haven't gotten to do a full look with was the Wizard palette, and so I thought I'd go ahead and play with all the shimmers today, and I did go ahead and do that. I put this one in the crease, and then I did this on the outer corner, this right in the middle of the lid. This I went ahead and took from here to here and then here to here. I actually used a little bit of this light blue shade right under the brow, and then I did go ahead and put this one on top of it. So I used all the shimmers in today's look, and I think it came out pretty cool. As far as an eyeliner today, I went ahead and used the NYX eyeliner. And so since everything else was shimmery and sparkly, I thought, why not just make the bottom shimmery and sparkly as well. So that's what I went ahead and did. The formula from Fantasy Cosmetica is absolutely amazing. This is the way it looks. It's about as shimmery as you can get, which is really fun. And by putting the yellow in there, I think it just brightens the whole thing up. I could have seen them going with a green, but the yellow really makes everything pop, and so it's really a lot of fun. I think it turned out really, really fun. I did go ahead and use the usual suspects, the Catrice for the finishing powder, and the Tartlette by Tarte for the mascara today, and then the Essence Make Me Brow, and that one I went ahead and used in the brow, so in the brown color. And that's kind of the way that the look turned out today. I think it turned out pretty well. Yeah, as far as, let's see, the Pretty Fresh, I'll be going ahead and doing a whole review on that as soon as I've worn it a couple of times. But yeah, I'm really enjoying this palette. I think that probably I'm going to get a whole bunch of looks out of this. Like I said, I just really haven't had time to sit down and do a couple of looks with it. So I'm doing that now. And I hope that you have a great day. And that was kind of the video for today. And I'll see you later. Bye.